I'm David Wall with Wall Family Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing. If you're running out of hot water or having an issue with your water heater, you're in the right place. We're here to help. You can call or chat with us today. We're available 24/7 to take care of all your water heating and home comfort needs. At Wall, we provide flat rate, upfront pricing. We send a licensed, fully trained technician who's background checked, drug tested, and arrives in a fully stocked truck. With your permission, we'll walk you through repair and replacement options, and in many cases, we can get started the same day. Wall has an A+ rating with Angie's List, Better Business Bureau, and over 1,400 5-star reviews and counting with Google. With more than 45 years of happy customers, you can feel confident calling us today. Right now, we're offering $200 off a water heater replacement or $50 off a water heater repair. For a happy home, get Wall.